Today, I'm super excited to show you how to create custom t-shirts using the RICOH Ri100Lt DTG printer with designs made right from your Windows tablet. It's compact, reliable, and made for printing on light-colored garments. Whether you're running a small shop, doing events, or just getting started, this printer delivers professional results fast. Here's how easy it is to get your design from phone to printer. Create or choose your image on your phone, then just scan the QR code on the printer's tablet interface. Your design uploads instantly into the printing software. From there, you can customize it, add text, pick fonts, change colors, drag it into place. Once your design looks perfect on the screen, place your shirt smooth and flat on the printing tray. Hit print, and the Ri100Lt gets to work, laying down sharp, vibrant color straight onto the fabric using CMYK ink technology. After printing, a quick pass with a heat press or finisher cures the design, locking in the colors and making it totally wash-ready. And that's it! With the RICOH Ri100Lt and your Android device, custom tee printing is fast, creative, and totally professional. If you like this, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what would you print first? Thanks for watching!